Click on the subscribe button and make sure you hit the bell icon to not miss any of our brand new videos.
So guys, this is the all new Honor Play here. The design is really nice and classy, normal Honor kind of design. But the phone here is quite upgraded. It is crazy fast and crazy smart and intelligent this time. So the curves and the edges are really nicely finished, metal unibody design. There's a dual camera setup with fingerprint sensor, and also you get the C-type charging port. There's a hybrid SIM tray slot which can be expandable to 256 GB. There's a notch formation on the top in which the earpiece and the front camera is properly placed. Talking about the screen, it's a 6.3 inches Full HD plus full view display, 19.5:9 aspect ratio. The best part about the phone is its GPU turbo experience, in which you can get the 4D gaming experience because there is real-time image and sound recognition. The EMUI version here is 8.2. Android version is the latest one, 8.1 Oreo out of the box. This phone runs on HiSilicon Kirin 970 AI chipset, which is a very powerful chipset. RAM is 4 GB and internal storage is 64 GB. There is also a combination of 6 GB and 64 GB available. Here the battery is 3750 mAh, which supports fast charging and also has smart power management. Let's jump to the camera section. So here you have a back camera of 16 plus 2 megapixel AI camera where there is PD AF and AF auxiliary light as well. So this automatically adjusts the camera settings for better output of your pictures. So you get the moving picture mode also here, AI camera, and then we talk about the modes. You have all the important modes like HDR, panorama, pre-installed filters, time-lapse, pro mode, artist mode as well, and night mode. Talking about the front camera, so there's a good front camera of 16 megapixel. Also in the front camera you have AI, so you can click good AI selfies, and there is 3D portrait lighting as well. So you can see it is capturing a lot of good lighting, and the skin texture looks really nice. In front also you have the moving picture mode and all the good important modes, which good beautification as well. Let's run through some of the pictures I just clicked. Especially the selfies are really nice, and the colors you can see clicked from the rear camera also are not oversaturated, neither they are dull. So they are the perfect crisp and sharp. So in total the phone is really fast and intelligent, loaded with a lot of power and speed.